What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the solutions to homework assignment 6.3, transformations of square roots. And we know that if I sketch this, the square root function looks like this, the parent function. And of course, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. And we know that that minus 2 is going to shift the equation 2 units down. So you're going to go down 1, 2, and it's going to look like this. So our equation is going to be y equals the square root of x minus 2. Okay? So here is a transformation. Okay? For number 2, we have y equals 2 times the square root of negative x. So if I were to sketch the parent function, I know that this would be the parent function. Y equals the square root of x. And I know that the negative is going to reflect it over the y-axis, the negative inside the radical, and the 2 is going to do a vertical stretch. So it would look something similar to this. So your blue figure here, your graph, this is the transformation for this equation. Okay, it's going to reflect over the y-axis, and it's going to do a vertical stretch of 2 units. Number 3, it says, how is the graph y equals the square root of 3x transformed from the graph y equals square root of x? Well, that 3 is going to affect the horizontal. Remember, if the 3 was on the outside, it'd affect the vertical. So definitely it will be a horizontal compression. Okay. For number 4, it says write a square root function matching each description. The parent function is compressed horizontally by a factor of 3/2 and is translated 3 units down and reflected over the x-axis. So it's going to be y, let me use a different color, it's going to be y equals, and remember, if it's on the outside, it's going to affect the vertical. So therefore, the 3/2 is going to affect the horizontal. It's translated 3 units down, so it's going to have to be minus 3. Reflected over the x-axis, so the negative has to be on the outside. So let me clean this up. We have y equals negative square root 3/2x minus 3. Okay. B, the parent function is stretched vertically by a factor of 12, translated 6 units up and reflected in the y-axis. So we have y is equal, it's a vertical stretch, so it's going to be on the outside, the 12 of the radical, reflected over the y-axis, so it's going to be negative x, and it's translated 6 units up, so it's going to be plus 6. So in class, we are going to graph these examples here so we can see the transformation that takes place. So when we do this in class, I'm going to ask you to sketch the answers for number 4.